10 foods to speed up your metabolism and burn fat fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to Moha's Health Hub. If you're looking to supercharge your metabolism and burn fat faster, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal 10 amazing foods that will help you do just that, so stick around to the end because I've saved the best for last. Are you ready? Let's dive in. List of 10 foods. Slide 1. Green tea. First up, we have green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants called catechins that help your body burn fat more efficiently. Plus, a little caffeine boost doesn't hurt when it comes to firing up your metabolism. Have you tried adding green tea to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. Slide 2. Chili peppers. Next is chili peppers. Thanks to the compound capsaicin, chili peppers can increase your calorie burn and make your body more efficient at using fat for energy. How do you like your spice level? Mild, medium, or hot? Drop your answer below. Slide 3. Lean protein. Chicken, fish. Moving on to lean protein. Eating chicken, fish, or turkey boosts your metabolism because your body uses more energy to digest protein. Plus, it helps build lean muscle, which burns more calories even at rest. What's your go-to protein for meals? Slide 4. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse. Packed with protein and healthy fats, they're great for fueling your muscles and keeping you full. If you love eggs, what's your favorite way to prepare them? Scrambled? Boiled? Comment below. Slide 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is next. It's full of probiotics for gut health and protein to rev up your metabolism. Make sure to go for the unsweetened kind to avoid added sugars. What's your favorite yogurt topping? Berries, nuts, or maybe something else? Slide 6. Coffee. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. A cup of coffee before your workout can boost fat burning and give your metabolism a little nudge, thanks to caffeine. But remember, moderation is key. How do you like your coffee? Black, with milk, or as a cold brew? Slide 7. Apple cider vinegar. Have you heard of apple cider vinegar? A small amount daily may help reduce fat storage and increase fat burning. Some people love it, while others, well, not so much. If you're team ACV, how do you take it? Diluted in water or straight up? Slide 8. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which help boost your metabolism and reduce fat storage. It's a great alternative to other oils for cooking. Have you tried cooking with coconut oil before? Slide 9. Berries. Next, we have berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with fiber and antioxidants that not only help regulate blood sugar but also aid in fat loss. Which berry is your favorite? Slide 10. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts. Finally, let's talk nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts are rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them great for keeping you full and boosting metabolism. Just watch those portions. Nuts are calorie-dense. What's your go-to nut for a snack? Now that you know about these metabolism-boosting foods, which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it. I'll see you in the next one.